guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a baby diaper bouquet, and these are perfect for baby showers or baby gifts. So what you're going to need is a glass vase, and I picked this one up at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some foam. You're going to need some glass gems, and then you're also going to need some little baby shower favors. So I picked up these little cribs and also these cute little rattlers at Dollar Tree. You'll also need some ribbon with wire, and this also came from Dollar Tree. You are going to need some diapers, and I picked up the size 1 size. You will need some skewers, and they're just wooden skewers. You are going to need some clear or white hair elastics that just says rubber bands. You are going to need some decorative shred, some tissue paper, and a couple of the tissue pom-pom garland. And it has one garland, has 6 pom-poms on it. So I picked up the green and the pink. You will also need some floral stem wire, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, and some scissors for this baby diaper bouquet. So give us just a second and we'll get started. Okay, what you're going to want to do with your styrofoam is you're going to want to trim it to fit your vase. So we made sure that it fits in this Dollar Tree vase. But first, before I put the foam in, I am going to add some of this decorative shred from Dollar Tree. Just gonna add a little bit. And then I also am going to add some of my glass gems, and that weights your vase so it won't flip over. I'll add a few more. Okay, then next you're going to want to take your foam and you are going to wrap your foam. We're going to go ahead and wrap it this way first so that it doesn't show. You're going to wrap your foam so no one can tell it's there. And then we're going to do it this way, just like this. And then we're going to push it down into our vase. And you want it to be kind of snug. Okay, and there we go. So this is how it looks. And you could always, if you wanted to, you can fill in more of the shredded paper to make it a little bit dressier. But in just a second, we'll start adding the picks and I'll show you how to roll the diapers. So give me just a second. Okay, you're going to want to take out a diaper, your little clear hair elastics, and your wooden skewers. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your diaper just like this and put it face down. And you're going to start with the end that fastens, and you're just going to roll it up. Keep it nice and tight and smooth. And just roll the little diaper up. It looks like that. Now you're ready to add your elastics, or just one elastic's fine. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to take your wooden skewer, slide it under your elastic, and then just slide it around. Just like that. And that's it. Very simple. Okay, she starts at the bottom of the diaper and just rows upward, keeping it tight. And you can see the cute little design, the little porcupine design on these diapers. Just add your elastic. Just one to the top and one to the bottom. Keep it nice and smooth and tight. Then you're ready to add your wooden skewer. And that's it. Simple. Okay, I just took a pom-pom off the garland from Dollar Tree, and what you'll want to do is just separate it and fluff it. And when you get it fluffed, it looks something like this. And then you're going to want to take one of your wooden skewers and your hot glue gun, and you're just going to find a spot and add a little hot glue. See if I can set it down. Add a little hot glue, and then I also like to add a little hot glue to the skewer too. Okay, and then you're just going to push your stick into your flower or pom-pom, like that, and just hold it for a little while so it can dry. We just took the baby stroller and we just hot glued it to the skewer, and the same thing with the baby rattle. Just added a little hot glue to the back and added the skewer, and then I tied a little bow on each of the baby rattles. What I did was I just used some of the ribbon that I didn't use from the pom-pom garland. So I just cut a little strip and tied it to each baby rattle. Okay, now you're ready to add your diapers, and what you're going to want to do is hold it by your wooden skewer, and go ahead, sis, and you're just going to take it and carefully push it through the styrofoam. Now make sure you're holding the skewer. Okay, and that's it. So we're going to add the diapers, and we'll let you see how it looks. Okay, we added 10 of the little diaper roses to our bouquet, and now I am ready to add my pom-poms. I think they kind of remind me of peonies, and so we did 3 of the hot pink and 2 of the green. So you can just adjust your numbers according to what size vase you have. Now, like I said, this one was picked up yesterday at Dollar Tree. So you're just going to, same steps, you're just going to take it and push the skewer into the foam and just randomly place your flowers. Okay. And you're going to do the same steps with your little baby carriages and your rattles too. So just play around until you get the flowers and the little baby favors in the position that you like. Okay, here's how it looks with just the diapers and the pom-poms. So it looks really cute. You don't have to add the little baby shower favors unless you just want to. Okay, here it is, guys. We have 10 diapers, 3 baby carriages, 6 baby rattles, and 6 pom-poms in our bouquet. Now all I have to do is tie a bow, and we are finished. So give me just a second. I am just going to tie a little bow for the vase, and this is ribbon from Dollar Tree, and it says baby on it. And you're going to leave a little bit of a tail, and my vase is an 8-inch vase, so I don't need too big of a bow, but I'm going to pinch it tightly in my left hand, and I'm going to try to make my loops the same size on each side. Okay? And when you have a design, sometimes you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top. Okay? So back and forth, keeping it pinched tightly in your left hand. Okay? And then I think that's as big as I'm going. So you'll want some floral stem wire close by. I'll let out a tail. Give it a little trim. And then I'm going to take my floral stem wire and place it tightly around the center of the bow. Just like that. Sorry about my dogs barking. They just realized my husband just left. So anyways, here's the bow. And like I said, I just tied 2 loops on each side, and I am going to take the floral stem wire and I'm going to wrap it around my vase and give it a few twists to the back. If you're making the baby diaper bouquet for centerpieces, you'll want to add a bow to the front and also to the back of your arrangement. So I just tied 2 bows and I just wired them on, And then for the finishing touches, I just added a little bit of the shredded paper. And that's it, guys. You're ready for a baby shower. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and like and share. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day, guys.